Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, both new and old viewers. So most of the times we underestimate the big applications and softwares like Unity, but should be told we're wrong 90% of the time. Yes, we all know this. Unity is a widely used open source software. Sometimes some of us hear how popular it is without checking its pricing. Some of us think it's too big for us. Others might say that they want to start off with a smaller game engine. But the truth here, guys, it's free. I said this in my previous video and I'll say it again. Unity is totally free, not going to cost you a penny, apart from the pro version, which is totally optional. I see it as irrelevant because the free version is already feature complete. You're gonna have more than you ever need in it. But for the record, I know this is a little short, but I've been doing game development with Unity for at least 2 years now and counting, and I haven't spent a penny in my life on Unity. No, on the app, the asset store, subscriptions, nothing. So you can equally don't have to spend anything as well, unless you have a budget for it. According to my research, you're only eligible for the free version if revenue or funding is less than $100,000 in the last 12 months. So if you don't earn that much, you can use Unity for a long period of time. You can still get the Plus or Pro versions if you want to. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to this channel if you want to do so. And also, I'd like to see your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.